Hello everyone, I am Nishtha and today we will be performing an activity about friction. Before proceeding towards the activity, let us understand what friction is. Friction is the force created between two objects which are in contact. It is subdivided into three parts. They are static friction, sliding friction and rolling friction. So let us start with the activity.
As Nishtha said, what is friction? Now we are going to perform a very simple activity on friction. This is a matchbox covered with sandpaper. So now I am going to take a steel plate and put the matchbox now and now just tilt the plate.
As Shanava showed you on steel tray. Now same I am going to show on plastic tray matchbox covered with handmade paper.
Already seen the rest of the three activities, and now let us see an activity which has a cardboard surface and an object which has sandpaper on it. Now let us try to slide it over it. As you can see, it takes a long time because both surfaces are rough.
Now we know what is friction and we have performed many activities to understand it as well. We passed a cardboard matchbox rolled with sandpaper through different surfaces which were of different materials. Our first material was a steel surface. It was very easy for the box to pass through it. Here, less amount of friction was created between both the surfaces. Our second material was a plastic surface. Here also, it was easy for the matchbox to pass through it. Here also less amount of friction was created between both the surfaces. Our third material was a cardboard surface. And as we know, cardboard is also a rough surface and sandpaper is also a rough surface. So obviously, here the amount of friction will be more, as we know that if the roughness is more, the friction created will be more. So here, much more amount of friction was created between both the surface when we compare to the above three materials. I hope you all liked this video and it was informative for all of you. Thank you.